What percentage of pages on the internet have 0 backlinks? Is it 12%, 38%, or 95%? Got your guess? The answer is C, 95%. Yeah, according to Ahrefs, 95% of all web pages have 0 backlinks, which means even if you're building strong links, you're already ahead of the majority of the internet that is not doing that. What I mean by strong links, I'm not talking about random directories or buying your way into someone's website. I'm talking about high quality, relevant website that link to your content because they found it useful, valuable, and trustworthy. And yes, this will help. So why does it matter to get familiar with link building as an SEO practice? Well, pages that rank 1 on Google have an average 3 times more backlinks than positions 2 and 10. But here's the catch. It's not about the quantity of links, it's about the credibility. So link building is actually a very famous process where we get other websites to link back to yours. And these links, called backlinks, act like vote of confidence in your content on SEO. So when a reputable site links to you, search engines see it as a signal that your content is useful, trustworthy, or worth ranking higher. But not all links are created equal. A link from a respected industry blog or media site, that is gold. But a link from a shady directory full of spam, that could actually hurt you. Search engines like Google use hundreds of factors to decide which page ranks where. Backlinks have been one of the top signals since day one, and they still are. Why? Because a quality backlink tells Google, well, this content is worth references, or this source can be trusted, or this site belongs in the top results. Most importantly, strong backlinks boost your SEO and bring actual humans to your site too. So whether it's someone discovering your brand through a blog post, podcast show notes, or industry roundups, a single link in the right place can bring lasting traffic and credibility as well. So let's talk about how to actually build strong backlinks for beginners without paying for them or sliding into strangers' DMs with, can you link to my blog? Here are 3 strategies that actually do work. First of all, create link-worthy content. This is content that people naturally want to reference or share. Think like original research or step-by-step guides or templates, checklists, or tools, insightful industry roundups, or even case studies. Ask yourself, if I saw this on someone else's site, would I link to it? That's a really good rule of thumb. If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. You can also find unlinked brand mentions. Sometimes your brand gets mentioned, but not linked. So you can use tools like Google Alert, Ahrefs, or even manual search to find blog posts or articles that mention your name, product, or quote without a hyperlink. Then you just send a short and friendly email, and you just ask if you can be linked back. You can say, thank you for mentioning us. Would you mind linking to the original page for your readers? It's a small ask with high success rates. You can also do the simple thing of contributing to other platforms. Guest posting isn't dead when it's done right. It's very important to remember. So you can offer to write or contribute to blog posts, newsletters, or online communities in your niche. Just one high quality guest post with a natural link back to your site can do more than 50 spammy directory listings ever will. You can also use Help a Reporter Out, known as Harrow, or similar tools to get quoted as a source in press pieces, which can also be great for visibility and links. But it will take you a bit more time. The truth is, link building still matters. It's a top trust signal for search engines, but it's not about gaming the system, it's about earning relevance and visibility. And with just a few intentional strategies, you can start building links that boost your SEO and bring real people to your site. Choose one of these to try this week. Find one unlinked brand mention and reach out, or create one link-worthy asset like a checklist or a guide, or pitch a guest contribution to one relevant site or newsletter you know. Remember, even one quality link will move the needle. So go out there and start your link building journey. Like what you just saw? That's just a taste of what we cover inside our short course. If this video sparked ideas, raised questions, or helped you see things differently, then the full experience is where you will really hit your stride, if I say so myself. Inside our course, we go deeper into embracing a human-centric approach when it comes to SEO and finding out why everyone is talking about user intent. In this course, we talk about SEO, but not as you know it. So whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this course shifts the focus from bots to humans, helping you create a content that not only ranks, but also resonates. We're going beyond search engine gods. We're actually looking at SEO that taps into what your audience wants and make things as easy as possible for them to find it. We offer bite-sized learning accessible in any device. Our lessons are designed to boost your skills faster, and then you can decide what to binge on next, just like Netflix, but for marketing knowledge. You get practical frameworks, real examples, and step-by-step guidance so that you can apply everything, not just absorb it and have fun doing it. Plus, when you join our short courses, you will also get access to our resource library packed with campaign ideas, tools, and even bonus materials in the AMS classroom. Access to our vibrant student community with exclusive events, networking opportunities, and other resources as well. And last but not least, personalized feedback on your projects from our expert team to help you excel in real-world applications. The AMS way is different, and we are not the only ones saying it. Our students back us up big time. Whether you're just getting started or leveling up with your marketing, this is your moment to move from ideas to action with support that actually matches your goals and what you're trying to achieve. So click on the link below to enroll, and I cannot wait to see you in class, because practice makes what? Progress.